watch in effect from late Thursday night through Saturday afternoon. Dangerously cold wind chills possible. Wind chills as low as 30 below zero. Areas affected include portions of northern Connecticut, central, eastern, northeastern, southeastern and western Massachusetts, and northern and southern Rhode Island. When, from late Thursday night through Saturday afternoon. Impacts include the cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. In addition to the dangerously low wind chills, strong northwest winds may cause power outages Friday afternoon and evening. Wind chill watch in effect from late Thursday night through Saturday afternoon. Dangerously cold wind chills possible. Wind chills as low as 40 below zero. Areas affected include western Franklin, northern Worcester, western Hampshire, western Hampton, and northern Middlesex counties. When, from late Thursday night through Saturday afternoon. Impacts include the dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. In addition to the dangerously low wind chills, strong northwest winds may cause power outages Friday afternoon and evening. Here are the 6 a.m. observations.